Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you guys are doing great, making a good profit, and that you all are well. So welcome to another new video. This video is about a new indicator. We will introduce a new indicator called a fractal, this indicator. So let's start the video. First, we will go to the indicator and select fractal. Then go to the settings. Set the period to 5 and leave the rest of the settings as default, then save it. Now let's find our first trade. Basically, when the candle hits the fractal level, we will try to place a trade in the opposite direction. So this was our first video on the fractal indicator. Let's see how it goes. I've already tried this indicator and it works very well. I placed my first trade on Polygon OTC worth $100 for an upside move. As you can see, there was an uptrend and the previous candle also closed at the fractal level. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. Currently, the trade was not going in our favor. Okay, now the candle came back and the trade is going in our favor. We have only 20 seconds left. A few seconds later, I won my first trade of this compounding session with the help of this new fractal indicator. Now, my balance has turned into $192. Let's find a trade for $192. On Litecoin OTC, we have a trade for the upside move, and I placed the trade for the upside move on Litecoin OTC worth $192. As you can see, there was a downtrend and the candle broke the fractal level, then came back, retracing from the fractal level. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. This was a retracement trade and I took it a little bit earlier. But as you can see, the candle hit the fractal level and came back. Now, the trade is going in our favor, but we still have a few seconds left. Okay, it looks like a good win. Yes, I won my second trade, so now my balance is turned into $368. Let's find a trade for $368. On Cardano OTC, we have a trade for the downside move, and I placed the trade for the downside move on Cardano OTC worth $368. As you can see, the green candle gave us an entry at the fractal level. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. Also, 5 candles were forming the same way, so that's why I decided to take the trade for the downside move. The trade is going in our favor, but we still have 20 seconds left. Okay, only a few seconds left and I won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $670. Let's find a trade for $670. On Tron OTC, we have a trade for the downside move, and I placed the trade for the downside move on Tron OTC. As you can see, the current candle gave us an entry at the fractal level. That's why I took this trade for the downside move. Also, the green candle closed at the fractal level, so this means our trade is going in our favor. The trade is currently going in our favor, but we still have 25 seconds left. Okay, looks like a good win. Yes, I won another trade, so now my balance has turned into $1,260. Let's find a trade for $1,260. This is the simplest indicator. When the candle hits the upper level, you can try for the downside move. And when the candle hits the lower level, you can try for the upside move. Okay, let's try to find another trade for $1,260. On Tron Coin OTC. We have a trade. If the current candle closes at the upper level, we can try for the downside move. Okay, the candle closes a green candle, so I'm waiting for a good entry because there's a gap down happening. Alright, I placed the trade for the downside move, and the trade is going in our favor right now. I placed the trade on Tron Coin worth $1,260. As you can see, the trade is going in our favor right now. Only a few seconds left and I won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $2,419. Let's find a trade for $2,419. On Bitcoin OTC, we have a trade for the downside move. I'm waiting for the candle to close near the upper level. Okay, the candle reversed and left a huge wick. Let's go back to Bitcoin OTC. The candle gave us an entry at the upper level, so I placed the trade for the downside move worth $2,419. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, and the candle broke the upper level. So it seems like a risky trade. But let's see. Still, we have 40 seconds left. Okay, the next candle came back and sometimes it looks like a winner, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see. Only a few seconds left and this looks like a risky one, but I won it. I won in the last second. Now my balance has turned into $4,644. This was a risky trade, but I won it. Let's find a trade for $4,644. On Bitcoin OTC again, we have a trade and I placed the trade for the upside move on Bitcoin OTC worth $4,644. This was a retracement trade. As you can see, the previous red candle closed at the level. That's why I took this trade for the upside move. You can see there was an uptrend as well. Currently, the trade is not going in our favor, but we still have 40 seconds left. Only a few seconds left and I won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $8,917. Let's try to find a trade for $8,917 with the help of this new fractal indicator. As you can see on Bitcoin, the candle became a solid green candle from the level. You can see it. So let's find another trade. Okay, I got a trade on Ethereum OTC and I placed a trade for the downside move on Ethereum OTC worth $8,917. I expected to get an entry at the level, but I got an entry a little lower. The trade is not going in our favor right now, but we still have 40 seconds left. But this candle should turn into a good red candle. Let's see. Okay, only a few seconds left and now it looks like a good win. Yes, I won it. So I won my last trade and now my balance has turned into $17,120. As you can see, by just using $100, I made $17,120 with the help of this new fractal indicator. You will notice that it works very well in a trending market and it is a simple indicator to use. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below about this indicator. If you like it, then comment down below. If you have any suggestions or topics, feel free to comment below and I'll cover them in the next video. Until then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.